So till yesterday we have talking about many things, scrotum and all. Okay, what wherever in the biology you will get this word meso. Meso word is always meaning what? Connecting. Tell me, the ectoderm and endoderm is connected by what? Mesoderm only, no? So that's why that
Yes, sir.
gubernaculum is also called as mesoarchaea. That's why, because it is connecting the scrotum with what? Testes. That's why.
Testis.
Clear up to here. Now we will see main about the testes. Okay, if we see the structure of testes. So testes is what? Oval shape, like this. Okay, one testis is what? Oval shape, like this. Now this testis is surrounded by one sheath. It is okay. Okay. So this outer covering of the testis is called as tunica vaginalis. Tunica vaginalis, and this portion is left. This portion is this portion of the testis is not surrounded by tunica vaginalis. Why? Because from this place the testicular artery is coming in, then testicular vein is going out, testicular vein is going out, then many things that I yesterday I told na, lymphatic vein going out. Okay.
Yes, sir. Spermatic cord.
Yes, no, one nerve is also going out. What is the name of this nerve?
Testicular nerve.
Yes, testicular nerve.
Testicular
So
nerve.
this all full bundle is going out and coming in from this place. That's why this place is not covered by what? Tunica vaginalis. So outermost covering of the testis is what? Outermost covering.
Tunica vagina.
Yes,
Tunica vaginalis.
yes, very good. Okay, if structure of testis, if we will see, the length of testis ranges between 4 centimeter to 5 centimeter. Very, very important for NEET. What is the length? What is the width?
2 to 3.
Yes, 2 centimeter to 3 centimeter. Keep in mind. Clear up to here? Okay. Now what happened? The next middle layer which surround the testis is called as what? Tunica albuginea. See. And one more thing, you tell me this full bundle is called as what? Tell me. Bundle of this all which is going out and coming in.
Spermatic cord.
Spermatic cord.
Yes, very good. Spermatic cord. Okay, and spermatic cord comes travel inside what? This passage is called as what?
Inguinal canal.
Very good. Inguinal canal. Okay, yesterday I told all the things. Okay, now this is the middle layer. This is called as what? Tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea. Now this tunica albuginea continue like this, and after that it will divide the testis into the two parts. So this division is called as what? Mediastinum testis. Mediastinum testis. Now this mediastinum testis divide the testis into two compartments. Okay, this is called as what? Anterior compartment of testis. Anterior compartment of testis, and this will be called as what? Posterior compartment of testis. So who is dividing? This tunica albuginea only dividing the testis into two parts. Okay, actually it's not equally dividing. First of all, it is dividing like this, means from here, like this. This is mediastinum, and mediastinum testis is a part of what? Tunica albuginea. Clear or not? Understood up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, super. Now let's see one thing here. Now in this anterior compartment of testes, what is present? There are near about 250 compartments are present. Okay, these compartments are called as what? Like this.
Testicular lobule.
Yes, very good. Testicular lobule. These are arranged like grapes. You know, grapes, a bunch of grapes. This is called as what? Testicular lobule. How many testicular lobule? 250. Very very important for me.
Per test.
50 compound.
So any doubt till here? Anyone?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay, so
Sir, testicular lobules are formed by what, sir?
testicular lobules are the compartment. No, these are what compartments? Formed by what means? I not understood. What is your question?
So by which layer are they formed? Is it albuginea? Sir?
What? No.
Which layer forms testicular lobules? Is it?
Oh, okay. I will tell. Testicular lobules. These are what? Testicular lobule. And testicular lobule are present in the form of what? Bunch of grapes. Okay, how many? 250 compartments are there called as the testicular lobule. Like this. So it is found in the anterior compartment of the testis. Clear? Now inside the testicular lobule, you will find there are 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubule. Okay. Like this. So these are what?
Seminiferous tubules.
Very good. These are what?
Seminiferous.
Seminiferous tubule. Tubule. Tubule means what? Tube like, pipe like. So these are what? Highly coiled. Highly coiled seminiferous tubule. One seminiferous tubule is looking like this, you know. See. Oh, sorry, not there. These are coiled actually. This is one seminiferous tubule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the another seminiferous tubule. Okay. And they are highly coiled, tube-like structure. This is third seminiferous tubule. Like this, it is present in the each testicular lobule. So inside the testis, how many compartments are there? Tell me.
250.
250. What are the name of that compartments?
Testicular
Testicular lobule.
Testicular lobule.
Okay, very very important. And inside each testicular lobule, how many seminiferous tubules are present?
1 to 3.
1 to 3.
1 to 3, not 2 to 3. Keep in mind, in NCERT it is written 1 to 3. So we have to remember it like 1 to 3. We can't say 2 to 3. Understood or not? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Now, one thing. Between this, what is the name? Seminiferous tubule, some space is left. Some space is also left. What is the name of this space? Interstitial space. Okay. Here, this you are seeing now. Wait, I will change this color. Here, this is space. This is space is called as what? Interstitial space.
Space.
And in this interstitial space, some what we say, some cells are present. Called as what? Some
Interstitial cells.
Yeah. Here some cells are present in interstitial space.
Leydig cells.
Yes, these cells are called as interstitial cells or Leydig cells, which secretes what? Testosterone.
LH.
Androgens.
Yes, Leydig cells. Androgens. Yes, very good. Okay, understood or not? Diagram is actually.
Yes.
Okay, now what happened in this posterior compartment? And one more thing I want to tell you, these tubules, these are lined by what? Simple cuboidal epithelium. You know what is simple cuboidal epithelium? Single layer of cube
Yes,
shaped
sir.
cell.
Yes, sir.
Cube shaped cells, they are lined. Okay, these cells are called as what? Primordial germinal cells or germ cells. Simple cuboidal epithelium. These cells undergoes, germ cell undergoes what? Meiosis and forms the sperm inside the seminiferous tubule. Clear or not? From this
Yes.
seminiferous tubule, one pipe is coming like this. This pipe is called as what? Tubuli recti. This pipe is called as what? Tubuli recti. Now, in the posterior compartment, you will find here this type of structures. You will find. Arey, voice is coming or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, super. This structure is called as what? Retitestis. This structure is called as what? Retitestis. So the sperm which is formed in the seminiferous tubule come inside what? Tubuli recti, and from the tubuli recti the sperm will enter into what? Retitestis. Clear or not? Any doubt? Okay.
No doubt.
This is also tubuli recti. This is also tubuli recti. Okay. So these are what? Retitestis.
Retitestis.
Now, what happened from the retitestis? Hey, can I have you written all this? Can I clear something?
Just wait for a
Now,
minute, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Take screenshot or write whatever you want. Do it fast. So seminiferous tubule are highly coiled and tube-like structure. That's why their name is what? Seminiferous tubule. And they are lined by what? Male germ cell. And one more cell is there, Sertoli cell. We will talk afterward whenever we will see that. Here one thing is missing. Okay, one thing I want to tell you here is, see, these are the testicular lobule, and testicular lobules are lined by network of blood vessels. These testicular lobules are lined by network of blood vessels. So that's why the inner layer of the testis is called as what? Tell me.
Tunica vasculosa.
Yes, very good. This inner layer is called as what? Tunica vasculosa. Vasculosa word coming from the word vascular. About vascular, I already told na in 11th class. What is meant by vascular? Where no blood supply is there. That area is called as, blood supply is there. That is called as vascular. Avascular means what? Our nails, hairs, they all are what? Avascular.
Yes, sir.
Because there no blood supply. But here, see, so inner layer of testis. So testis is surrounded by three layers. Outer layer is what? Tunica vaginalis. Middle layer is what? Tunica vaginalis, tunica albuginea, and innermost is what? Tunica vasculosa. Okay, so tunica vasculosa means what? The network of blood vessel which surround testicular lobule. Okay.
Sir, tubuli recti carries what, sir?
Sperm.
Okay.
Tell me, sperm is forming where? In seminiferous tubule. Understood or not?
Understood,
Sperm
sir.
is forming here, na? From here, the sperm will enter into what? Tubuli recti. From the tubuli recti, sperm will enter into what?
Ready
Reti
testis.
testis. After drawing, tell me. I will make something.
Completed, sir.
Completed, huh? All the students. Anyone left?
Completed, sir.
Sir,
Completed. Okay, good. Now see. Now see, from this reti testis, some pipes are coming out. From the reti testis, some pipes are coming out. Some tubes are coming out. Okay, these tubes are called as what?
Vasa efferentia.
Yes, vasa efferentia. These tubes are called as what? Vasa efferentia. Now see what happened. From this vasa efferentia, some this type of structure, coiled structure will come. It will go down like this, and eventually this. See, from this vasa efferential, from this vasa efferentia, this type of structure will come out. This structure is called as what? Tell me.
Epididymis.
Yes.
Epididymis.
Epididymis. Epididymis. Now, in the NCERT book, one point has been written that epididymis lie toward the anterior compartment of testes or posterior compartment of testes. It is lie.
Posterior.
Yes. So the understood
Posterior compartment.
in NCERT why they have written that epididymis lie toward which side of what? Posterior
Posterior side.
side or posterior compartment of testes. Clear or not up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, epididymis is divided into three parts. Okay, this part, starting part of epididymis is called as caput epididymis. Caput epididymis. CAPUT, caput. Okay, this middle part is called as what? Corpus. Corpus epididymis. It is also called as body. And the last part is called as what?
Cauda.
Cauda epididymis. From cauda epididymis, what will start?
So vast difference.
Yes, very good. What a pipe will start from here? What is the name of this pipe?
Vast difference.
Vast difference.
Vast difference. Understood or not? So what is
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
what is this then?
Tubular recti.
Tubuli recti.
Indirect.
Yes. Like this, it is happen. Okay. So on the interior only, you will get the testicular lobule. And in the NCERT, everything is written 250. Okay. So one question can be asked from here. One thing. See, if 250 compartments are there, each compartment, okay, 250. What are their compartments called as what?
Testicular lobule.
Testicular lobules.
Testicular lobule is there. Each lobule contain how much? 1 to 3.
1 to 3
1 to 3
seminiferous.
SFT.
Seminiferous tubules. So minimum seminiferous.
250 to 750.
Yes, 250 to 750
Maximum 7
seminiferous
seminiferous tubules.
tubule in each testis. In each testis. Okay. Okay, in both testes 500 to 1500. In one body 500 to 1500 seminiferous tubules. Two testes na, one test is this much, two testes how much? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Super. Now next we are going
Sir,
to
can you show this diagram, sir, once?
So which part of epididymis is in contact with testes? From vasa efferentia.
So caput epididymis.
Caput epididymis.
Caput epididymis. Very good. Okay. This is what? Vasa efferentia. How many vasa efferentia are there? 15 to 20. 15 to 20. Vasa efferentia arise from which part?
Posterior parts from
You know,
testis.
illa posterior part kadeyade. The
Ready test.
very
Reti
good.
testis.
Reti
Testis.
testis. After writing, tell me. I will move ahead.
Completed, sir.
Super.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Okay, good. Now, what is the use of epididymis? Epididymis helps in functional maturation of sperm. Functional maturation of sperm. Okay, if from the testis, if we cut the epididymis and directly we are joining the reti testis vasa efferentia to vas deferens, then what will happen? This kind of question
Sperm
can ask in
maturation
NEET.
doesn't
All
happen.
The
what
sperm will not have enough time for maturation, sir. So only
No,
Yes,
immature.
yes.
sperm will never undergo maturation because maturation is
So,
taking place inside what epididymis. No,
it
so that sperm can't able to fertilize the ovum. Okay, and can't able that sperm is what waste. It can't able to fertilize the ovum. No fertilization can take place. Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now we will talk about the pathway of sperm. So sperm first of all form where?
Seminiferous tubule.
Yes,
From spermatogonia.
from seminiferous tubule it go into what?
Tubular recti. Tubuli recti.
Yes, from the tubuli recti it is going to what?
Retitestis.
Retitestis, and from the retitestis it will move into
Vasa
what?
Vasa
efferentia.
Vasa
efferentia.
efferentia. How many vasa efferentia?
10,
15
15, 15.
15 to
15
20.
to
20 vasa
15 to
efferentia.
sorry, vasa efferentia it is. From vasa efferentia, the sperm will move into what?
Epididymis.
Caput epididymis.
Sorry. Okay, yes. Caput epididymis. From here it will
Corpus epididymis.
corpus. And at last what?
Cauda
Cauda.
epididymis.
From cauda epididymis. From cauda epididymis it will move into
Vas
what?
efferens.
Vas
Yes.
deferens.
Vas deferens. This is the pathway of sperm. From here the question can be asked. What is the correct pathway? Okay. Okay, one question I want to ask. You know that the testis is producing what? Androgen or testosterone. And androgen are responsible for many things like low pitch voice, coming of facial hair. In 11th class endocrine system, I have taught you all the things. What are the male secondary sexual character? Male secondary sexual character is what? Appearance of beard or mustache. Second, muscular body, then muscular body, then low pitch voice. Okay, then many things are there. Okay, so if any person is suffering from cryptorchidism, that means the testis is inside the abdomen but it is not come out into the scrotum. In such male secondary sexual character will come or not?
So if temperature affects the production of androgens, then there will be no secondary sexual characters.
Okay, actually, in such male, the level of testosterone will be normal, secondary sexual character will also come, but only one thing will not happen. What is that?
Sperm
Yes, in such
Spermato.
male, only one thing will not happen: spermatogenesis. Why? The thing is what? The in 37 degrees centigrade, the germ
Sperm
cells,
cannot form.
where the germ cells are present, now only I told. Where it is present?
Seminiferous.
Yes,
Seminiferous
inside.
tubule.
Yeah. So germ cells will get what? Burn. So they can't able to produce the sperm. So if the germ cell want to continue to do meiosis and to produce the sperm, they have to be alive. For that 2 degrees centigrade to 2.5 degrees
2.5
centigrade, less
degrees
that body temperature is required. But that testis will produce the testosterone. So beard will come, body will become muscular, having the low pitch voice. Okay, all the character of male will be there, but only one thing will not be there. What is that?
Sperm
Spermatogenesis
formation.
will not take place. So,
Spermatogenesis.
like this type of question can also be asked, which will make you think in many directions. Understood or not? So this was all.
Understood, sir.
So okay, this completed accessory sex ducts. Sorry, test is completed. Now one thing, transverse section very fastly we will see. transverse section of testis, or transverse section is also called as what? Cross section. Suppose if this is the testis, testis is round shape or oval shape? Oval shape, okay? Along here, okay? Now if you cut this testis in this section and if you see it from upper side, what you will, it will be look like this, okay? This is the transverse section of testis. This is what? Seminiferous tubule, okay? Then this seminiferous, between this is also what? Seminiferous tubule only. Now this seminiferous tubule is lined by cube shaped cell, simple
Simple
cuboidal
cuboid.
epithelium, called as what? Germinal epithelium. Actually, it is called as primordial germinal epithelium. Primordial germinal epithelium. Okay, and it is made up of what? Simple means what? Tell me.
Single layer.
Very good. Single layer. Super. Okay. Why I am telling? Because last year I think I told in one of any, either in Pulal or Mogapur, any one branch I have told this thing. Still you remember? That is a very
Yes,
good.
sir. In Pullal you said, sir.
Pulal itself. Okay, very good. So this simple single layer of cube shaped cell, that is called as what? Simple cuboidal epithelium. Now what happens? See, one more type of cell is present. What is the name of this cell?
Cells, sir.
Yeah, Sertoli cell.
Sertolysis.
So if the question will be asked, the seminiferous tubule is lined by male germ cell, Sertoli cell,
And Sertoli
Leydig
cells.
cell, both 1 and 2.
Both 1 and
Both
2.
one and
Both
two.
1 and 2. Okay. Now this space is called as what? This space is called as what? Tell me.
Interstitial space.
Yes.
Interstitial space.
Interstitial space. Very good. Now in this interstitial space, some cells are there.
Leydig cell.
Leydig cells or interstitial cells.
Yes. These cells are called as what? Leydig cell. Also called as interstitial cell. One hormone is acting on this interstitial cell. Anyone can tell which hormone is that?
ICS.
Yes, very good. ICSS.
Interstitial cell stimulating hormone.
Yes, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. In common language, we called it as what? LH, luteinizing hormone. But in the case of female, we will call it as what? LH only,
LH.
luteinizing hormone. Because in female, interstitial cell is not there, no? But in the case of male only, you have to call it as what? ICSH. And because of that, this Leydig cell secretes what? Secretes androgens. Androgen is what? Group of male sex hormone. Group of male sex hormone. Main hormone in this is what? Testosterone. Okay. This Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell is also called as nurse cell or sustentacular cell. Sustentacular cell. What is the use of Sertoli cell? Provide nutrition to the developing sperm. Okay. Help in conversion of, okay. So it provide nutrition. Many are there. Provides nutrition to developing sperm. Second, act as a blood testis barrier. I will tell you why it is called as blood testis barrier. Now it secretes anti-Mullerian hormone. It also secretes inhibin hormone. This is the question of NEET 2017. Not given in NCERT, but then also they asked who secretes inhibin hormone. Inhibin A, inhibin B. Two type of hormones are there. I will talk afterward about that. Okay. So that's why as it is providing nutrition and protecting the sperm by acting as what blood testis barrier. So from whom this Sertoli cell is protecting the sperm?
WBC, sir.
Yes, our immune system. Which WBC? B lymphocytes. Actually, what happened in our whole body from top to bottom and bottom to top, all the cells are what? Diploid. Yes or no? Except one cell, which is the haploid. Sperm in male. Sperm is what? Haploid cell. So sperm is the only haploid cell. In female, it is ovum, the only haploid cell in the body. Now, what happened? Since this is the only haploid cell, so what our immune system think that it is a foreign object. This sperm is not of our body; it is of foreign. And moreover, the sperm is formed by the meiosis. In meiosis, Petitine stage crossing or recombination take place. Because of that, their genetic material of sperm is also get changed. Hence, our person's genetic material and his sperm genetic material are not same. This is called as law of purity of gametes. Mendel has told that gametes are never pure. Something
Yes,
is
sir.
because the gamete
Heterozygous.
heterozygous. Okay, we can say. So how the sperm is formed? A person 2n by the meiosis. In meiosis also because of crossing over and recombination, some changes come. You know or not what is crossing over or recombination? Have you studied in 11th
Yes,
class?
sir. We trade in cell cycle, sir.
If you if
Prophase
you
of.
if you haven't studied, study it today. Because without that, the biology you can't able to understand anything. Okay, so that's why the sperm, a male is there, male sperm, his sperm are not same or exact copy of that male. Why? Because the sperm formation takes place through meiosis, and in meiosis one packeting stage, recombination, crossing over take place. Crossing over and recombination takes place. Because of that, genetic material some changes came. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So what happened? It is not same as that of that male. Now immune system of the body, what they will think that this sperm is not of our body, it is some foreign object. So let's kill these sperms. Now what happened? The B lymphocyte will secrete the antibodies. That antibody will search the sperm and try to kill it. But the head of sperm is embedded inside Sertoli cell. This is which cell? Sertoli cell. So what happened? Head is inside the Sertoli cell. That's why the immune system can't able to detect where the sperm is found inside the body. If the immune system of body will detect, oh, sperm is inside here, definitely it will create the antibody. That antibody will go and kill the sperm. But its total head is inside what? Sertoli cell. Understood? So Sertoli cell is so that's why the immune system of body not able to detect where the sperm is and can't able to kill it. That's why it acts as what? Blood testis barrier. Understood or not?
Sir,
Understood,
so
sir.
then alternatively in female is there anything called blood ovary barriers, which protects the developing ova. That,
Developing ova and all. See, there somewhat different mechanism is there. Okay, there also their follicles are there. They are protecting that. So there no problem. But here, what is meant by blood-brain barrier?
yes, sir.
You know about this cell astrocyte. I have taught in all branches last year.
Yes,
Mm.
small cell.
These are the neuroglia cells. They are a blood-brain barrier. And blood testis barrier is what? What? Sertoli cell. So it is called nurse cell because it is taking care of the sperm, and it is also called as sustentacular. cell. What is the meaning of word sustain? Strength.
Provides
Provide strength. So it is providing strength also, na, to the sperm. That's why. Clear or not? What is anti-Mullerian hormone? You know there are the two type of ducts are there. Mullerian duct and Wolffian duct. Okay, first.
so, but did not study that in frogs. So they did not teach us frog. Only cockroaches.
No, it is also in human. Okay. Now Mullerian duct is there. Okay, now what happened? This Mullerian duct is responsible for formation of oviduct and uterus. Oviduct and uterus. But in the male, this hormone is present. What is the name of this hormone? Anti-Mullerian hormone, which is secreted from the Sertoli cell. This anti-Mullerian hormone prevents the growth of Mullerian duct into Mullerian duct into male. That's why oviduct and uterus never found in the human male. Clear? Anti means against, na? Ediri?
Yes, sir.
Arey, what is the, till what time it will be there?
9:15, sir.
8:30 to 9:50. Now 5 minutes extra you have to ka?
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Inhibin, I will tell it afterward about inhibin. But from here question has been asked in NEET 2017. Okay, thank you then. Bye.
Sir, now itself you tell, sir.
Now itself I tell. Your next lecturer will not come. Actually, inhibin. Now one see, the inhibin is a hormone secreted by the Sertoli cell of the testis. It is of two types. Inhibin A, matrum inhibin B. Okay, now what is the use of this inhibin? Okay, it stops or it inhibits secretion of FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, and this hormone is essential for the formation of what? Sperm. Okay, see, inhibin in male, it is secreted by which cell?
Sertoli
Cells.
Sertoli cell. But in female, it is secreted by what? Granulosa cell. What is granulosa cell? We will talk afterward. Granulosa cell.
So will it be about the corona radiator cells above?
Yes, corona radiata, yes, that only. But here many students don't know about that. That's why I am not telling now. Sertoli cell in male. Now what happened? It inhibits the secretion of FSH, and FSH is very very important for the formation of what? Sperm and ovum. Okay, suppose if the FSH secretion will decrease, then formation of sperm and ovum will also what? Decrease. So that's why it controls the production of gametes. Controls gamete production. Okay, suppose more number of sperm is producing or one female is ovulating more than one ovum. In such case, this inhibin is work. Understood? And high level of inhibin A in the blood of pregnant female is an indicator of Down syndrome. Its high level in blood of pregnant female indicates that fetus is suffering from Down syndrome. Sorry, not.
So trisomy of the 21st chromosomes.
Yes, trisomy. This is also
So
called
signal
as,
be given by the fetus or by the mother who's carrying.
in the blood, if inhibin A is more in the blood of pregnant female during 6th month, this test we have to do At which month? 6th month, means second trimester. 6th month we have to take the sample of blood from pregnant female, and in that blood if inhibin A level is more na, then it is indicator that the fetus is suffering from Down syndrome. What is Down syndrome? We will study when we will study the genetics. Clear or not up to here?
Yes, sir.
So,
Please.
sir.
Yes,
so
sir.
in
Can you
female,
explain primordial germinal epithelium once?
primordial germinal means sperm mother cell, who is the cell which will undergo meiosis and form the sperm. That cell will be called as primordial. Understood? Primordial germ. I will tell spermatogenesis. I will clear all the things. You don't worry. Understood up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Mullerian duct forms what in the female? Tell me.
Uterus and oviduct.
Oviduct. But in the male, it can't able to form. Why? Because of
Anti-Mullerian.
anti-Mullerian
Anti-Mullerian.
hormone. But one point. After that, I am going. Okay, just one point. In male, epididymis is formed by epididymis and vas deferens formed by. अरे यार, sorry. By which duct? Wolffian duct. Okay. So male accessory sex ducts are formed by Wolffian duct. Clear or not up to here?
Sir, all the accessory ducts are formed by Wolffian ducts, sir.
Yeah, like that only. All are formed by this Wolffian duct only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you. Next class we will continue. Bye to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.